Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ClickBank, promote and sell digital products step by step clearly. To log into ClickBank, first, open your web browser. Type in the URL www.clickbank.com. Once the page loads, locate the login button on the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a login page. In the first field, enter your registered email address. In the second field, type your password. Ensure that your email and password are correct to prevent any login issues. After filling in your details, click on the blue login button. You may be prompted to complete a security check if enabled. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will be taken to your ClickBank dashboard. Here, you can access various tools and resources. To promote and sell digital products, navigate to the Marketplace section. In the Marketplace, you can browse countless digital products. Use the search bar to find specific niches or categories. Once you find a product you wish to promote, click on the product title. Review the product information and affiliate details provided. To generate your unique affiliate link, click on the Promote button. A pop-up will appear asking for your account nickname. Enter your ClickBank account nickname in the required field. You can also add a tracking ID for better performance analysis. Click the Create button to generate your link. Copy your unique affiliate link to share it with your audience. Consider creating promotional content to effectively market the product. You can use blogs, social media, or email marketing to drive traffic to your link. Monitor your sales and performance through the dashboard. Regularly check for updates and new products in the marketplace. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.